All right, everybody, I'm going to rant a little bit today. All of you know I've leaned into creating a lot of content in recent years, and there's a reason for that. It all kind of contributes to building a strong brand, raising awareness of who you are and what you're about. I came across a post and a series of comments that I just have to read to all of you to really articulate the direction that we are seeming to head in and what the problem is. So the post was actually about the pyramid of quiet quitting, and it talks through lack of communication, lack of sense of belonging, lack of feeling valued, lack of consistency and trust. All right, cool, got it. It was actually a pretty thoughtful post and well done. But whenever I started reading through the comments, this is where things got a little bit hairy. First comment, Matt, thank you for sharing this insightful perspective on Quiet Quitting 2.0. It's a crucial reminder that employee engagement goes beyond mere presence. The response to Matt, George, I appreciate your thoughtful comment. Matt, it's essential that we recognize deeper layers of engagement. Da-da-da. Another comment, this is a thought-provoking analysis of the phenomenon of Quiet Quitting 2.0 and its implications in leadership. George's response, thank you, Carlos, for your insightful thoughts. Next comment, your insights on Quiet Quitting 2.0 are incredibly thought-provoking. It's a crucial reminder that true engagement comes from purpose and connection, not just performance metrics. George, responding, thank you, Lauren, for your kind words. I'm glad you found the insights valuable. Fostering genuine engagement is really a collective effort. On and on and on. And the trend continued. All of the comments to the post were around, thank you for this insightful perspective. Thank you for this thought-provoking analysis. Thank you for your insights. And I recognized that all of these people have either AI or they have a virtual assistant somewhere in the Philippines that's copying, pasting, just trying to drive responses. And it is not organic in any sense of the word. It seems very calculated and I'm going to say intentional just to drive traffic. But the problem is you're eroding your brand by offloading your responsibility to respond to the content that you're creating to others. And a lot of times I'll have conversations with business owners and leaders that are focused on trying to build my brand. Well, I don't have time to do all of this stuff. So I'm just going to hire a VA so that they can respond and drive traffic. Well, the problem with that is your voice starts to sound like everybody else's. And when your voice sounds like everybody else's, it's no longer yours, is it? I think the approach that we really need to lean into is understanding this is extremely important. Building a personal brand is one of the most important things we should be focused on right now. Why? Well, the more people that know who you are and know what you're about and know what you're capable of, the more likely there's going to be somebody that's going to want to work with you. If people start looking at your content and they see all of these calculated comments and responses and M-dashes everywhere, and then they meet you in person and think, damn, George, you communicate at a collegiate level online, but now that I'm having this conversation with you in person, you speak like you barely got out of third grade. What's going on here? Look, whenever it comes to building a brand, you don't have to become a content creator. You do have to do something. You have to engage with people in some form or fashion. I like to encourage a blend of in-person networking events, doing something online. Again, you don't have to create content every single day, but engage and make the words your own. Don't offload this responsibility. Don't put your I'm a leader hat and this is delegation, because it's destroying your brand. It's destroying your reputation. I looked through this and immediately recognized that while I'm probably not going to do business with this person, I'm definitely not going to do business with this person because they're not putting in the effort to be real and genuine with all of their followers, all of the people that are engaging on their content. And are the people engaging on their content even real? Is the person posting and responding even real? These are some things that I want all of you to think about. As you're responding to people, take the time. I mean, let's be real. 60 seconds to type a response, and not a response of, this is a thought-provoking analysis of the phenomenon of quiet quitting. Nobody fucking talks that way. Can we please just stop? Okay. I'm in a better place now. I've been able to get this off of my chest. Just think about what you are doing. If you're going to hire a VA, great. That's fantastic. Use them for some back office administrative type functions. Don't offload or delegate your voice to some random stranger on the other side of the world. Don't offload or delegate your voice to an AI chatbot that doesn't speak and communicate in the way that you do. Stay real. Stay true to who you are and do the work.